Welcome to KEKS, Construction Engineering. Most people think framing and installing a drop ceiling is a headache of expensive metal grids and complex math. But today, I'm showing you a step-by-step secret pro method to framing a ceiling using wood and PVC that is faster, cheaper, and looks absolutely perfect. If you want a ceiling with no mistakes and no sagging, this is the best framing guide you need. Before we move to site, let me mention some of the tools required. They include measuring tape, laser level or spirit level, speed square, saw, hammer or power drill, marker, and string lines. Now, let's move to site. As you can see in this video, we will be framing and installing ceiling in this 6.5 meters by 4.5 meters room, so follow every step as we proceed. Firstly, give an offset that will maintain the required headroom. In this project, I am taking 300 mm offset. Then, use a laser level or spirit level 2 mark and transfer a perfectly flat plane across the entire room. This is where the perimeter wall plate will sit. If this step is wrong, the whole ceiling will look crooked, so take note. Now that we have successfully transferred a flat horizontal plane across the room, let's start installing 2x2 wood to align perfectly with these lines so we can get a completely flat ceiling frame. Ensure you align it properly with the line before fixing it permanently with 4 inches nails. Having installed the frame basewood or wall plate completely, let's take 500 mm offset to form the frame width all round. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Navigating the roof members to capture the full ceiling framing and installation was a true challenge, so please bear with any unsteady shots caused by the tight spaces and obstructions. Working in these conditions is incredibly demanding, and I have nothing but respect for the carpenters who do this every day. You are the real heroes. Now that we are done forming the frame width, let's form the rise or drop of the ceiling frame as well as the recessed part. Let's cut and install 250 mm length of 2x2 wood to form the full rise or drop of the ceiling. Fix it at the midspan of the inner braces so that the ceiling will recess inside by 250 mm. This recess improves the aesthetics of the ceiling and makes it modern like POP ceiling. Did you know that the structural failure and sagging in wood-framed drop ceilings are primarily caused by inadequate anchorage and a lack of proper lateral bracing? To ensure long-term stability, it is critical to use correctly rated fasteners and maintain precise spacing to prevent the timber from bowing under the weight of the ceiling system. To prevent this failure, we will install some 2x4 wood in the roof so we can anchor and brace the ceiling frame firmly to them. Now, we are set to form the top part of the ceiling frame. Hence, we are using 2x4 wood at 500 mm center-to-center spacing. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Now, see how to properly anchor and brace ceiling frame to prevent sagging and failure. Do this if you want your ceiling to stand the test of time without failure. Having completed the ceiling framing, let's install ceiling grids, or you can call it ceiling battens, since we are using PVC ceiling in this project. Installation of ceiling. This is where the magic happens. PVC panels lock together like a puzzle. Sliding the first panel in, ensuring it's perfectly square, and then securing the tongue side to our wood frame. Also, let's install the top ceiling battens so we can install the top ceiling speedily. Installation of the top ceiling. Let's also complete the recessed part of the ceiling. Good job! We have finally completed the framing and installation of this drop ceiling. I truly believe that anyone can achieve a professional-grade finish if they have the right secrets and a clear step-by-step plan. This framing method is exactly how I ensure my drop ceilings are perfectly level and sag-free every single time. I have a question for you. What part of a drop ceiling installation do you find the most challenging? Let me know in the comments below. I upload construction videos here every week. Yes, there are many construction videos on this channel. Go ahead and ask whatever you don't understand. I always reply, thanks. Thanks for watching.